Okay, hello, good day. So today we want to look at this question. So in this question, we are asked to find theta in the range 0 to 360 if 2 sine theta plus 3 cosec 2 theta um, is equals to 7. That is 2 sine 2 theta, right? Okay, so solution to this, that's 2 sine 2 theta plus 3 cosec 2 theta is equals to 7. Okay, but what is cosec theta? We know cosec theta is 1 all over sine theta, right? Cosec theta is 1 all over sine theta. Okay, so with this identity, then we can substitute that here. So we have 2 sine 2 theta plus 3 over sine 2 theta, right? Is equals to 7. Okay, if we use this sine 2 theta to multiply every term here, we are going to have 2 sine squared 2 theta plus 3 equals 7 sine 2 theta, right? Okay, so let's bring this here. So we have 2 sine squared 2 theta minus 7 sine 2 theta plus 3. Okay, right? Okay, this becomes a quadratic equation that can be solved by, let's do factorization. You say 2 times 3, that's 6, right? That's 6. So we need two numbers in such a way that when we add them, we are going to get the middle number, and then when we multiply them, we're still going to get these numbers, right? Okay. Okay. So what are those numbers? Um, we have 6 and 1, right? 6 and 1. That is 6 and 6. 6 and 1, that's 7. So we can use that here. 2 sine square 2 theta plus 6 sine 2 theta. Then, okay, we use minus, but this is minus. It's going to be minus, minus. Minus 6 minus 1, that's minus 7. Minus sine 2 theta plus 3 equals to 0, right? So 2 is common and sine 2 theta is common. So 2 sine 2 theta, that will be what is left here, sine 2 theta minus 2 in 6, that's 3, right? Then here, what is common? Minus is common, right? So we have sine 2 theta minus 3. Okay, so when we factorize this out, we have sine 2 theta minus 3, and then 2 sine 2 theta minus 1. Okay, so from here we have sine 2 theta minus 3 equals to 0, or 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 equals to 0. So 2 theta, sine 2 theta from here is going to be equal to 3. And sine 2 theta from here is going to be 1 all over 2, right? Okay, so what's 2 theta here? Arc sine 3. And for here, 2 theta is going to be arc sine 1 all over 2, which is 30 degrees. If you look at this very well, arc sine 3. 3 is a number that is more than 1. You know, our cosine curve, we know that it's usually between 0 and 1, right? Between 1 and minus 1, rather. This is always 1, this is minus 1. So whatever we are getting, if it is beyond this region, and this one is 3, it means this 3 is above the curve. And if it is above the curve, it means there is no solution. They do not intersect in any way. And because they do not intersect, there is no solution, right? So no solution here. So we just write no solution. Okay? So because there is no intersection of the two curves. Now for the other one, this one, there is this one is half, which is of course within the range. So we can apply our general solution to it. So that will be 2 theta will be equals to n 180 degree plus minus 1 raised to power n times 30 degree is 30. Okay, so if we divide everything by 2, 2 divided by 180, this is going to be 90, then plus minus 1 raised to power n. 2 divided 30 divided by 2, that will be 15. So this is going to be 15. Okay, then we'll now put our values of n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, continues like that. So when n is equals to 0, this is 0, and of course this is 1, and it will be left with 15, right? Then when n is equals to 1, this will be 90, and then this is going to be minus 15, that's 75. So when n is equals to 2, that'll be 2 times 90, that's 180. 180, this is going to be plus 15, which is 195, right? When it is 3, 3 times 90, that's 270. 270 minus 15, that'll be what? 255, right? Now, when it is 4, 4 times 90, that's 360. 360, yeah, plus 15, that'll be what? Over 360. So we can use that one, right? And when it is 6, what is that? When it is 6, that's 6 times 90, that's 540. And 540, 540 plus 15, so that's also above, right? So the other ones, they are above. So once it's above, you stop. Above 360, you stop. So these are the values that we have gotten for this, right? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Thank you.